Hi friends, today we're going to learn about partitioning circles. Today I made pancakes for my circles. I did a read aloud that was about a book called Pancakes, by Eric Carle. So that's what made me want to do pancakes for this. So first, we went over a few different ways to partition rectangles earlier in the week. We talked about partitioning them in halves, which means in two pieces, and partitioning them in fourths, which is 4 pieces. We also talked about thirds, but let me get to that in a minute. First, we're going to talk about halves. How would you think we should split this pancake to make it be in 2 equal pieces? Right down the middle. So I'm going to cut my pancake right in half. So here's one half, and there's the other half. Well, how can I make this 2 halves become 4s? If I want to cut this pancake into 4 pieces, how am I going to do that? Can I cut it right here? Am I going to cut it straight across like we did with the rectangles? Well, I can't do that because in this piece, since it's rounded, will be smaller than the piece on this side if I were to cut it. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it the other way and we're going to cut it in half like this again. So after I've done that, I now have 4 equal pieces of my circle. So I have partitioned it into fourths. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, or 1 whole. So I'm going to stack these up to see if they match, if they're even pieces. Let's see how good I did. I did pretty good with that. Well, now on to the trickier one. We're going to split this pancake into thirds, or 3 pieces. Doing that with a circle is pretty tough because you really just have to eyeball it. So I know if I cut it in half, one of these pieces, if I cut it again, one's going to be way bigger, so that's not going to work. So I'm just going to cut towards the middle. Well, now from here, I don't want to cut all the way through, and I don't want to cut like this. So I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. From there, I want to just go for my center point that I made and go straight down. Now, if I stack these, so we have 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3, or 1 whole. I think I did pretty good. You should get out paper or maybe even ask if you can make some pancakes and try partitioning circles yourself.